Welcome to Tesla Stock Daily Drive, where we cruise through the latest in financial markets and leave you with insights and investment tips as reliable as a trusty Tesla. I'm Dusty, your steady host, and today is Friday, May 30th, 2025. Let's get right into it. Today, we're seeing mixed results across the stock market landscape. The S&P 500 had a slight dip. The Nasdaq Composite felt a 0.3% nudge downward, while the Dow Jones Industrial Average eked out a 0.1% gain. These movements came after remarks from President Donald Trump concerning China's performance in trade agreements, alongside some unexpectedly positive economic data. Despite today's slight turbulence, it's been a strong month. The S&P 500 and Nasdaq recorded their biggest monthly gains since November 2023. Specifically, the S&P advanced 6.2%, and the Nasdaq surged by 9.6%. The Dow wasn't left out, marking its best month since January with a 3.9% increase. These gains have lifted the S&P 500 back into positive territory for the year, a promising sign for investors. Turning to economic indicators, the Personal Consumption Expenditures Price Index, or PCE, ticked up by 0.1% in April, showing a 2.1% rise over the year. Its core counterpart, excluding food and energy, also rose modestly, with year-over-year growth down to 2.5%, the lowest in 4 years. This cooling of inflation is sparking hope for potential Federal Reserve rate cuts. Consumer sentiment is brighter than expected, although pending home sales have dropped 6.3%, and consumer spending growth slowed down after a stronger March. Now, let's focus our attention on Tesla, a frequent star in the financial sector. Tesla shares dropped slightly today, opening at $355.54 and closing at $346.46, handing back about 3%. Yet despite today's setback, Tesla had a good month overall, climbing nearly 23%. This uptick reflects some bullish perspectives from analysts about Tesla's future, even amid sales slowdowns in Europe and China. Key to this optimism is Tesla's planned autonomous ride-hailing service launching in Austin, Texas. With initial testing on the horizon next month, this venture could represent a significant leap forward for the company. CEO Elon Musk is refocusing on Tesla after a stint in the government. His renewed commitment is calming investors and adding fuel to the Tesla engine. Year to date, Tesla has seen a 14% dip, but it's essential to remember its stock pinpointed a 52-week high of $488.50, showcasing its potential strength. With a market cap near $950 billion, Tesla continues to be a vehicle of interest for many investors. Before we wrap up, here's a thought for the careful investor. In times of market fluctuation, patience often pays. Consider your long-term goals, gauge the potential against the risks, and remember that today's downturn might set the stage for tomorrow's upswing. That's all for today's ride on Tesla Stock Daily Drive. Thanks for joining me, Dusty, as we navigate these financial highways. Remember, when the dust settles, only the truth remains. Keep your eyes on the road and your portfolio on track. Until next time.